How to get 45% off TikTok Shop promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in TikTok Shop promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Groupon. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for TikTok Shop. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 45% off, $30 off, 20% off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. And for some offers, you won't get the code. You just have to click on shop now and go through the process. With that, the offer will be automatically applied to your purchase and you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers for TikTok Shop. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you are in this website section, you can also try out other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for TikTok Shop. So this is how you can easily get up to 45% off TikTok Shop promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.